Hi guys, good morning. Tashi Delek I. So, kids have gone to school, and as usual, I'm home today. And for the last few days, my heart is very heavy, and everything that's happening around in the world. And I'm not just talking about Ukraine. My heart aches. I can't tell you how much it hurts. Just wanted to share my feelings. I don't know. I wish I can share something else, but पता नहीं हर किसी को फर्क पड़ता है नहीं. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and we are also fine and healthy. Made some lunch. My husband is also home, and so we didn't had breakfast. This is our kind of brunch, because he wants to sleep. He is off only on Monday, so after dropping the kids to school, he sleeps on the sofa. So he's still sleeping, so we are gonna go now and eat. It's almost like 11:15. So you can see my eyes are a little bit like hollow, or I don't know, it's empty, something is missing there. I'm wearing this long sweater, wool sweater, and I have this for almost, oh my god, how many years? 5-6 years now. It's a long one. It's actually extra small. So back in the day when I was working in H&M, I bought this one. Oh no, I was not working. I was not working. I left. So I think it's like at least 5-6 years. When my son was born, I stopped working there. So my son is now 7 years. So I think it's 6 years. I think I have this. If I work there, I would get 25% off. But I wasn't working when I bought this one. So this cost me around 69 euros something, almost 70 euros. So I have an appointment on 12:30 for my lashes. So I'm gonna go eat, and then I'm gonna head off to my lash. I'm wearing my Levi's 501 jeans, and I'm wearing the H&M long sweater, and the jacket is from CKS, and the bag is from, as you know, it's from End of the Stories. So today's outfit of the day is something like this, and since it's sunny outside, I'm just gonna wear my sunglass from Marc Jacob. Oh my god, done with my eyelash. I slept, almost slept like, I think 2 hours, I think. It's almost 2 hours. Look how my eyes are looking now full. Yeah, from today onwards we don't have to wear mask. Only if we are in bus or train, then we have to wear a mask. So, but I wore by her when she was doing my eyelashes, because I don't want to, because she's close to my face, you know. So I just wore when she was doing my eyes. So my eyes are looking full, you know, my eyes are looking alive actually. So yeah, it's me time today, so done with my eyelashes. I'm gonna go home. It's cold actually, like it's sunny but it's cold. So I'm back home. My husband has bought yesterday this coffee machine. Actually yesterday is Sunday, so the media market was open, and I was thinking which one to buy. So he bought this one, and I googled this on YouTube, and it has quite good reviews, so we're gonna keep it. The normal price is 279 euros or something, but yesterday, I don't know, yesterday media market was open on Sunday. Maybe it's the first Sunday of the month the shops are open, so I think that's the reason. But there was some promo price going on, and he got this for 230 euros. Plus he can order Nespresso coffee capsules. So here I have like 100-piece capsules for 23 euros. So it's cheap, I think, this one. I don't know. So yeah, let's unbox it. It's in white color. I need to get rid of the old coffee machine. That one we got it when we ordered the sip well water, the water that we have at home. So they gave us free, and we have been using for the past 5 years, I think. So when we moved to this place, it fell off from someone's hand, and it broke the the water container. But it was working, so I said we'll keep it until we buy a new one. So we got a new one today. So let's unbox it. And we have to find a place for this one, so we'll see. Oh my god, wow, it's really looking nice. Oh my god. And there is one box that comes with this one box of capsules. And so let me show you how the coffee machine looks. It's in white color and it looks amazing actually. So let me see. This is for the milk frothing. And wait, okay. Wow, nice. It's looking nice. And this is for the water container. I think it's somewhere here. Okay, I'm getting it. Okay, and this is for the milk frothing. Yes, it just has to be open, and this has to go like this, and you can turn this here and there. If you have a large like latte coffee cups, you can put it like this, or if you have small espresso, then you can put this underneath. You know, there is some manual guidance how to use it. There's an espresso booklet. Voila, this is, let me show you. So this is how it looks, and there are options which kind of coffee you like. There are so many options, and what I like about this is if you have extra milk left, you can actually take this out and put it in the fridge, and when you want to make coffee, you can you know, use it again. So that I like it very much. And if you take this out, then you have to close this, and you can keep this in the fridge. And then you have option here to rinse, you know, to start a coffee, you know, something like that. And yeah, I like it. I like the color. I will show you. And here you can put the capsules. Here you can put the capsules, and then you close it. That's it. And then you start whichever coffee you want. So this is looking amazing, actually. I love it. The color is also nice. So yeah, that's the unboxing of my coffee machine. Actually, my battery is running down, so I'm gonna end my vlog here today. Nothing special, and so many things happening around the world, and just wanted to share my thoughts. I couldn't share completely what my what I wanted to share, and you know, as long as we are alive, we try to be happy always, and we try to make others also happy, and pray for others. And thanks for watching my vlogs. I wanted to say in my last video I spoke more in Tibetan. I know some people, those who are not non-Tibetans, they didn't understand. They wrote me, so I understand. So I will try to vlog more in English. It was our New Year occasion, so I was speaking more in Tibetans with my Tibetans. So whenever I was on my camera, I was speaking English, but whenever I was around my people, so I was speaking Tibetan. So I understand. You didn't understand what we were saying or anything, so I understand. So पता नहीं, मैं हिंदी में भी ब्लॉग कर सकता, पता नहीं, आप बोल दो हिंदी में मैं करूं. इतना अच्छा हिंदी नहीं है मेरा, हिंदी इंग्लिश मिक्स कर दूं क्या, पता नहीं. तो आज का व्लॉग यही एंड करता हूँ. तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट टाइम. अंटिल देन, टेक केयर. लॉट्स ऑफ लव. थैंक यू फॉर द लव. बाय.